Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever been troubled by the messy background of photos? Don't worry, and today's video is about how to remove photo background for free online. Search AVC AI and come to its main interface. Click here and you can get free credits. Then go back to remove.bg. Click here to upload photo into AVC AI. Next, just turn on the remove.bg function and click Start Processing. The rest can be done by AI. It took only a few seconds for the image to be processed. Now let's look at remove.bg effect. Drag the vertical bar left and right to see the comparison effect. You can also click here to enlarge the picture to see more details comparison. Finally, click Fit Model to view the BG remove effect of the complete photo. If you are satisfied, just click Save. The whole process is super easy, right? If you are satisfied, just click the link in the description to try it out.